The famous Indian car manufacturer Mahindra is now working on a new SUV named as XUV400. The codename of the SUV is S204. The SUV will be based on SsangYong Cornado. Though there is no official announcement about the launch date, we expect that the car will come to the Indian market at the end of 2022 at the expected price between 11 to 15 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, it will be positioned over the ongoing XUV300. In terms of power, the new S204 will get VS6 compliant 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine which can generate 163 bhp of power and 280 Nm of peak torque, and 1497cc 1.5-liter turbocharged direct injection 4-cylinder diesel engine capable of producing 120 bhp of power at 3500 rpm and 300 Nm of peak torque at 1750 to 2500 rpm. The SUV can be able to deliver the mileage between 17 to 20 kmpl. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. Talking about the dimension, the SUV will be 4450mm in length, 1870mm in width, 1620mm in height, and will get the wheelbase of 2675mm. Talking about the exterior design, the SUV will get sportier rugged look. Up front, it is expected to get sleek LED projected headlights with inserted LED DRLs, stylish chrome accented black strip that runs across the boot instead of front grille with Mahindra badging at the center, large chrome inserted black ear inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding, and bumper mounted LED fog lights housing. The side profile will get power heated wall beams with integrated turn indicators, body color door handles, roof rail, chrome strip at the windows, body side plastic cladding, large wheel hooks with black cladding, and new set of crystal cut alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new set of LED tail lights, stylish chrome strip which connects the two tail lights, Mahindra badging at the center of the boot, rear washer, defogger and rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights and reflectors, updated rear bumper with black cladding and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV is expected to be updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash mounted AC vents, D-cut electric power adjustable leather wrap flat bottom 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, front auto washer switch, 3 driving modes, normal, sport, winter, 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster with multi-information TFT display, 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, premium sound system, remote trunk opener, dual-zone automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push-button start and stop, 34-color ambient lighting, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, remote keyless entry, oil cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with 60-40 split rear seats and 551 liters bigger boot space. The SUV is expected to be updated with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, electric stability control, lane keeping assist, seatbelt and door hazard warning system, traffic sign recognition system, high beam assist, automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning system, 7 airbags, lane departure warning system, tire pressure monitoring system, and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.